Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee in Roblox. Start by preparing a simple coffee machine object inside Workspace and add a click detector or proximity prompt to it. Create a server script to manage brewing state, ingredient checks, and cooldowns. Add a GUI to display progress and inventory. Test interactions in play mode, adjust timings, and ensure ownership and remote events handle player requests securely for smooth multiplayer play. Place parts for the base, water tank, and dispenser, then weld them together for stability. Add a click detector or proximity prompt and connect it to a local script that fires a remote event to the server. On the server, validate ingredients and start a brewing coroutine that updates clients with progress via remote events. Include sound, particle, and animation cues, so players get satisfying feedback during each brew session in cooperative or solo play. Write a server script that checks player inventory, subtracts ingredients, and marks the machine as busy to prevent race conditions. Use remote events to send progress updates to each client so GUI reflect brewing percentage. When brewing completes, grant the coffee item and play a pour animation and sound for the recipient. Log errors and test edge cases like disconnects, inventory full, and simultaneous interactions to ensure reliable multiplayer behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.